Hey everyone, ever heard that myth that we only use 10% of our brains? Well, let's debunk that today, especially when it comes to studying. How much of our brain do we really use while hitting the books? Let's dive in. First off, the whole 10% myth, completely false. Neuroscientists have proven that we use virtually every part of our brain and most parts are active almost all the time, even when we're asleep. But here's where it gets interesting when we talk about studying. While studying, your brain is like a supercomputer processing tons of information. Different tasks engage different parts of the brain. For instance, solving math problems lights up one area, whereas reading a history textbook lights up another. Let's break it down. When you're solving math problems, your parietal lobes are on fire. Not literally, but they're highly active. These lobes handle mathematical reasoning and logical processing. Switch gears to reading or writing, now your temporal lobes take over. They are crucial for processing language and storing information in long-term memory. This is key for those long study sessions when you're trying to cram all that info in. But here's a cool part. The frontal lobes, right at the front of your brain, act as the conductor of this beautiful orchestra. They manage higher cognitive functions like thinking, planning, and problem solving. They help you decide what to focus on, how to organize your study time, and even manage your break periods. Now throw in some color diagrams or a physics problem involving vectors, and your occipital lobes join the party. They process visual information, making sure that what you see makes sense in the context of your study material. And don't forget the cerebellum, often associated just with physical movement, but it's also involved in learning patterns, refining skills, and even language. So when you're practicing that Spanish verb conjugation, your cerebellum is putting in the work. So, next time you sit down to study, remember it's not just a part, but your entire brain getting a workout. Whether it's 10 minutes of quick review or a 3-hour deep study session, your brain is firing up a lot more than just 10% of its capacity. And that's a wrap on today's brainy topic. Remember, studying might seem like a mental marathon, but your brain is more than equipped for the task. So keep pushing those limits and happy studying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more myths busted and facts explained. Catch you in the next one.